No taxes on tips. Let's talk about exactly what the One Big Beautiful Bill means for your tip income, and let's do a case study on it so you understand it. Here's a little snapshot of that tax on tips legislation. Prior, we had nothing. Now you might be able to deduct up to $25,000 from 2025 through 2028 of your tip income, but there's some more ramifications to this, and I want to get into that. Your first ramification is it has to be qualified tip income. Well, what does that mean? Three things. It's got to be cash or debit card or credit cards. Number two, it has to be voluntary. And number three, it has to be in an industry that typically gets tips. Think server, things like that. The other one is that you can only make $150,000 as a single person to take this deduction, or $300,000 if you're married filing jointly. So you can't make a ton of money and then still get the deduction, but if you're making that much money, that's also good. Now let's get into the case study part so that we can break it down further. Here's our case study. We have a single filer in 2025 that has normal income of $20,000. They also have qualified tip income of $30,000, bringing their total income to $50,000 for the year. Now they can take the standard deduction and they're single, so they get $15,750 in 2025. And then now you can have a tip income deduction of $25,000. Now notice they had qualified tip income of $30,000, but they can only take $25,000 because that is the max if they are single. So when you take the total income, you minus the standard deduction, you minus the tip income deduction allowed, this person has taxable income of $9,250 for 2025. That would give them a federal tax liability of 10% bracket at $925 for the entire year. And so this is just federal. You'll still have to pay state, Social Security, and Medicare, but I wanted to walk you through a case study. So yes, this bill does allow you to deduct your tip income up to $25,000 if it's qualified, but I wanted you to know the caveats and the nuances. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know other things that I can break down. But other than that, Chris Lee, Everyday Finance, I will see you in the next one.